So, hello and welcome to another round. We are pushing it up, typing, hopefully learning about the services or understanding that. I haven't eaten the whole day and I kind of feel it. So that's my excuse. Let's get into it. Oh, someone wrote to me? No one wrote to me. I don't expect anyone to write to me after yesterday. Okay, it's this meeting, of course. Mm. No. Come on. I already can feel it in my stomach too that I'm pretty hungry. But we will prevail. And 9:36. 9:36. And complete this round, at least. Before I deserve to eat. Yeah. Okay. We will not go into the topic if I deserve to eat or not. That might turn dark really fast. Okay, so this okay, I'll get at least some bite of something. Totally forgot to eat. It happens a lot lately. There's some garbage food. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for the subscription. Yeah, like I don't even. And what is that? The Prime Gaming? What is that? Where did you get that? I don't even know what it is. What it is. I just know it's like I don't know. It's something from Amazon, right? Ah, okay. So if you have Amazon Prime, then you automatically. Oh. So when you buy Amazon Prime, you get like you get Netflix too? Or is it like concurrent to like the competition to the Netflix? Oh, yeah. So it's like competing service. I see. Mm. Oh, you have bought. Oh, yeah. Thank you once again for the subscription. Appreciate it. I have a six subscribers now. Maybe seven. I don't know. At one time, I had like 80 or something, but that was just because, well, two guys came here and they just start giving the subscription left and right. So it was not, like deserved. It was for the laws. So someone did it for the laws. It wasn't that, you know, not I like did earn it really. Guess that's the way you can look at it too. That's true. Okay, so what is the takeaway of this? I think the takeaway of this is when I will be creating a service, I will Google this page and just copy paste it. Because I cannot remember those, like as observable and that. Yeah, I think I will drop out for a moment and then, like well, I might start another stream today later on. Uh, I don't want to promise anything. Enjoy your food. Yeah, take care. Bye bye. Authorize instance, and then in here, basically just in the constructor, we subscribe to it. This is what it will do on the observable. And this is what we do like when the button is pressed, right? This is the announce. So what we do here is the critical thing is we are calling that with the string, right? Yeah. This is like what we are using the history for. It's just to display something, right? Yeah. Mhm. Hold on. Did I? No. Okay, so I guess I'll just copy paste it when I need to implement this. Oh, the test. The test. How do we test this, huh? So what does he do? Should announce a mission. So that is, we take that, the button, and then you click it, right? Yep. And it's history, and you check. Oh, there's like expression you can use. Text, mission, something, and announced, space announced. Okay, so that's the expression. It's interesting that they don't put it like into like string. Oh, what did I do? Undo. Folding. Control Shift numbered minus. That's what I did. Control Shift minus. That's plus. That's my. Oh, okay. Interesting. The more you know. Sometimes I fold section that's control dot. That one I remember. Fold folders always on the collapse control collapse all. Okay, so just control minus. It's like that. I have just a toggle. Yeah, but that's doing the false selection. Anyway, so we are going to end-to-end spec E to E, and that starts, that will be somewhere on the bottom, right? Communicate via service, here we go. And yeah, look at that. This is not in the what parameters does it take? No, Shift I. Okay, Control P, string, reget. Do we have, like, what was the quick or documentation? Quick. Control Q. Control Q. Yeah, but that doesn't work in the Vim mode. If I do Control. Quick documentation. It takes the string and it takes string or regex. And this is basically this. All right. And J Vim plug again quick documentation. Okay, I'm going on a tangent here again. Okay, fuck that. I'm not doing that now. We're looking at a test. So takes that, then clicks it. Then oh, they wrote this test as a sync function, test confirmation, and it's just like click it, announce and confirm. Button index. Oh, I hate that. It's not much fun in here to writing the tests. Okay. So this is that. So we can have a look at the another thing, and that was the component interaction. So we can have a look at the component styles. And in our notes, that will be the learning. Next will be this guy. Oops. Oh, okay. Hold on. This is like a compound. Yeah. So save that. Oh God. Always opening this by accident. Bum, bum, bum. Funny thing that you cannot see the typing. Def. If I run this, that should, yeah, now you can see the, where do I click? I thought it will start every single time I run the computer, but it doesn't. Angular applications are style standard CSS. Oh, okay. Angular can bundle component styles with Didn't I read something about this already? There was like this, like, yeah, the view encapsulation that was like about the encapsulation of the styles, and now they will tell me about another shit. So what do we have here? So we have a using components, style scope, again, special selectors, host content, okay. Deprecated, loading component styles, metadata. Yeah, so here is like defined styles, like definitely styles URLs, template, inline, I can put it in a template, yeah, sure. Okay. Template, links, tags. Would not like to do that. Imports, okay, so directed to Angular applications. Additionally, Angular can bundle component styles with components enabling more modular design than regular style shields. That means like here in the structure, and you they already used that in here. Okay. They don't use styles in here at all. They have like some global thingy, right? This project. Style CSS, yeah. They have just the global styles. But you can specify the styles for each of the components, which they will tell us about in here. And we have an example. Yeah, so we will download that, yeah, of course. And it will be def project study Angular, and we will put it in here now. Projects study Angular and its component styles. So we take all of that, copy, then we will create a thing, new directory, yes, this guy, and paste it in here, and nothing fucking happens. Okay, so Control Tab, close this. Shift Tab, close this. Redeems. Why do I have that here? I don't know. Whatever. It is in project. Do I have like total commander open same in another panel? What is the shortcut, huh? Control. But these commands open archive on the cursor in active panel, not exactly as. Okay, cool. Okay, so if we go here and we do control shift. Okay, that doesn't work at all. Actually, can't source targets. Okay, holy fuck, it really doesn't have this? Doesn't fucking work for me. If I do control and left arrow, oh, it fuck. It works now. Okay, so if I do control right or control left. The only thing what happens is this guy, if I press control and right, that kilobytes change. What the fuck is happening in here? What am I doing? If I do control left, it changes the left. What the fuck? Anyway, copy that. Okay, whatever. Okay, that is our project and battery low, sure. So now I can open that, open project, just open, and it will be, oh fuck. Dev projects study Angular and component styles. This guy, okay. In this window, yes, please. Okay, so app, and we have like those modules. So here's the top one. Where's the index? Okay, install tslint, run npm install, yes, please. So that will fix the shit in here. And we can learn about what this does. Okay, so that's, oh, did I forget to stop the previous project? Maybe, we'll see. If we run it, it might tell us that the port is taken already. If it doesn't, we're good. Okay, so we have the example. This should be easy. Using component styles, you might define not only HTML but also CSS styles that go with the template, specifying any selectors rows. As usual in CSS, one way to do this is set the styles property in the component data. The styles property takes an array of strings that contains CSS code. Usually you give it one string as follows. Okay, so here's the style and here's the CSS inside of it. That's it really. All right, so if we have a look into app component, app component, yes, we can see in here that we have the style over there. Font, weight, normal, and how do we start this application, huh? Is there a README? There's not a readme. Seriously? Read.me. Yeah. Okay, so in that case, we will have a look into package.json, and we can see that they are starting it with start, which is the ng serve. Okay, so I can as well do it manually, and I will say ng start, and we will open it in the browser once our application is served. What the fuck? I said start. I meant serve. Serve. Open. Thank you. So it will compile the project and it's generating shit and so on. We'll have it in a short moment. So this is the style scope. Ah, here we go. Really? That's all? Okay, it changes the border. Is that really what is happening in that? It is hero app, okay. They are kind of obsessed with heroes in Angular. So many components for nothing. Okay, so we have the hero TS, that's just a type. And in the module, bootstrap is a hero component. Okay, so we'll have a look into the hero component. It's the main thing, and we have the tour of heroes as described. Okay, so the first one, that thing over here, that belongs there. So we can say here color yellow green, for example. Yellow green. Okay, cool. And it has different color. Okay, cool. Now applies only to the hero component, not the nested hero main component, not the h1 text anywhere else in the application. Scope is styling modular feature. Okay, so it doesn't apply to the children, you say? Are not inherited. Okay. What if I want to inherit it? Order H index, okay. It's a styling modularity feature. Use the CSS class names and selectors. Make the most sense in context of each component. Local to component and don't collide with classes and selectors elsewhere. Yep. Style, change the styles elsewhere in the application don't affect. Yep. You can also co-locate the CSS code of each component within the TypeScript and HTML code of the component, which leads to neat and tidy project structure. You can change or remove component CSS code without searching through the whole application. Find where else the code is used. Yep. Special selectors. From the world of Shadow DOM. described in the, what is this? CSS scoping module. Okay, I don't want to read it. Oh, section describes these selectors. Okay, cool. Host. The element that hosts the component as opposed to targeting elements inside of the component's template. The host selector is the only way to target the host element. And the host element, I suppose, is this, right? For the app hero main. So here to change the how this thing will appear would be to use the host thingy, I suppose. Where do we use? Okay, so there's more host summary. There's external CSS. Okay, cool. You know what? I will search for it. Host, and it is in the quest summary component. And that's no quest in progress. And if we have a look in here, so it does, well, something. What does it change? Display block, background color. So if we have a look in the application, no quest in progress. Look at that in here. And if we inspect it, I suspect it will be on the app quest summary already. So that's the element that it's selected by, right? We have a, yep, that's that. If we search for it, yeah. So the app quest summary gets the style because we did use the host thingy. See, we have the app quest summary. Here's the freaking style. It says ng host npk blah blah blah. That's exactly what it does. Display block, color. Oh, npkcl. Why is it strike through? Oh, oh come on. I want it bigger. Here we go. So it's set up twice. Oh, it's like different one. Huh. Where this one comes from? How come we have it here twice? Display block, background color green and white. So this is what comes here, but so this one comes from there, but where does this come from? Copy. Okay, so that's the only host. Host. Not actions. I want to find it. Host. Paddington. Oh, and we are done already. Time flies so fast. Here is it. Border solid black. Active is border width 2. Okay. Anyway, the main takeaway from this is that this is the way how to touch the actual tag which the component uses. The host element, it's called. You can treat also from inside the component with other selectors. Yes, sure. The host element is in a parent components template. Use the function form to apply function form. The host style conditionally by including another selector inside parentheses after host. Oh, okay. The host selector are combined with other selectors behind the host to select child elements, for example, using host h2 to target h2 element inside components view. Why would I do that? You should not add selectors other than host context in front of the host selector to style a component based on the auto. Such selectors are now scoped to components view and will select the auto context while it's not native behavior without context. Okay. So this will be the next thing which I will go into. This guy says that we are done, then it's better than perfect, and we will end this session. It was round 768.